Hey everybody, just thought I'd share this with you. We're working at macro creation on a few bits at the moment, but this is for one of our projects, which is Tech District Cumbria, where we're trying to bring all the technology companies in the county of Cumbria in the UK together. Just been using Google AI Studio, and I think if you haven't used it, I'd really recommend trying it out. I've been really impressed with its consistency and reliability. Definitely prefer it over Gemini and the Flash 2 model. Just in its normal Gemini, that and I'm using Flash 2 here, but in this environment, I feel it's more stable. So just create this quite detailed prompt asking for some very specific outputs, such as image URLs, separating address lines, websites, company names, and we're going to use these company information to populate the directory. Even writing up 55 character descriptions and 500 word descriptions about the overall company. So I'm just going to run this through for 10 companies just so you can see how fast it is really. Actually, if we just make it, just edit that, and then if we edit that, just hit that and let it run. So it's pretty damn fast. I'm really impressed with how good it is, and I know some of these companies, so I know it's not just making up names here, and it does even point out when it's maybe gone, this one could say be a great business, and then it kind of goes on. So really impressed with it, and they say the detail you get out of it. So for some reason it's just stopped. I found if I run this too many times, it does do this sometimes. So I'm gonna put find me another 10 businesses, and let's just see what it does. Same job again. I was really impressed with it. Other models, I've used the ChatGPT and stuff when creating sort of data sets or pulling information like this. It can very much just make things up and not fill things out. So I'm really impressed. As we get me another 5, say. It does even say when it can't find stuff, it will point out struggling to find companies, need to broaden your search, and you can even ask, okay, why do I need to broaden the search? What limitations are you finding? So I was looking for a particular sort of company earlier, and it was going, okay, I can't find that because the turnover was too restricting, or the length age of the company was too narrow. And then you could go, okay, let's increase that, or let's take certain things away of that, and then redo the search, and it found the company. So really impressed with this, and now I can literally take that information and use it, and put it into, I've got it set, so this is building it for a different format, so this can automatically be dropped into another template. So I would really recommend trying out Google AI Studio. Been really impressed with it, having some trouble linking it with some other tools, and the API connection, but I'm hoping I can get around that soon, because it'd be great to start to build it into more of the stuff we're doing in macro creation and for clients. But for this use case, I found it really good, so I'd really recommend using it, and hope this video has been useful.